In chapter 98 of Talent Swallowing, Magician, the main character wants to rebuild his home and plans to use the influence of the fourth prince to do so. But to make that happen quickly, he must first prove himself on the battlefield. During this time, someone invites him to a duel to test how powerful he has become. The hero accepts the challenge, but when he arrives at the battlefield, he's surprised to see a large crowd gathered. It turns out that his opponent had called everyone there beforehand, not just for the duel, but to evaluate the strength of Hero.